It's Gary Kayye. We're here at ISE 2014, and it's the last day of the show, but it's still busy. But I'm here with David Neaderland. David is the CEO and founder of Sound Control Technologies. How you doing, David?
I'm doing great, Gary. What a great show this year.
It is an amazing show, and you guys are part of the UC Unified Communications section of the hall. And you've exploded out of this hall because they're actually going to move you next year. I assume you knew that.
Exactly. Yeah, they're moving the whole UC to a bigger space because UC is what's going on.
Yeah, I think next year what will happen is UC will probably be combined with collaborative stuff, like collaborative room stuff, in addition to sort of standard, video conferencing and telepresence stuff. They're going to add the collaborative stuff to it probably because there's so much connection between the two, and everybody's there's new segments in the market opening up.
Exactly.
The network has really changed things, hasn't it?
It really has. It really has. Yep. Everything's being connected.
Yeah, I agree with you. So, how is I guess what I'd like to ask is, first of all, what's your impressions of the show?
This is a great show. This is our third consecutive year doing the show. And so every year more and more people recognize us, remember us, and it takes time to invest in new markets. And so for us, this year has really been a good year.
Yeah. How about the economy? I know that 2013 was a tough year because some areas of the world were in a recovery, some areas kind of flipped back, and then some areas were flat. What was your 2013 like?
For us, 2013 was a strong year. We, as many people who know sound control for many years, since 1987, we've been sort of rebranding and regrowing the company and repurposing our efforts. So the tools that we build now are really being adopted globally. So 2013 was a very strong year.
You changed your brand look too. Your new logo.
Yeah.
I love it. I love the colors.
Thank you.
I think it's very well done. So kudos to whoever did that.
Thank you.
But what about 2014? What are you expecting now that you've been here to Europe at the beginning of the year? You've seen this show. Are you expecting this to be a huge year for sound control? Are you expecting it to be slow, steady growth? What do you think?
Well, we like steady growth. As a smaller company, huge growth would be a problem. Steady growth. Our first year here, we were looking to develop some small partnerships, and then we've migrated into looking for formal distribution. And this year, we're signing on some nice distributors, so we're looking for pretty significant growth throughout Europe.
What is your distribution strategy? Do you go direct to dealers in Europe, or do you use distributors, or what is your strategy?
Well, it's tough. Breaking into newer markets, first we had to go direct to dealers to develop those relationships. And now we're changing back to the formal distribution because it's expensive to deal one-on-one from the U.S. to Europe. So we're working with some new distribution in the U.K., in Spain, and hopefully we've even signed on a distributor for Russia.
Is there other countries that you're looking for distributors that our viewers should know about?
Absolutely. We're actually looking to fill out the rest of Europe. And we were at Infocom Dubai back in October. We have a limited set of tools that we're trying to deploy globally. So if you're in distribution and you deal with video conferencing, let us know.
You heard it, and they're looking for distributors. This is a great opportunity for you to take advantage of this and get a great product line. Your products are really unique in that you're sort of a glue company, but you're also a problem solver. If you need to remotely locate a camera or control of a codec, you can do it with what you guys have, your RC2, RC3, exactly. And now your RC3X. That's right, RC3X. You've been a great partner to Polycom and Cisco and really all the video conferencing companies out there. Exactly. Tell them a little bit about RC3X though. So we shot a video on RC3X. You just go up in the search window and you can search sound control and you'll find it. Yep. But what does the RC3X do?
Well, the RC3X is a camera integration kit for long distance HDMI and DVI cameras. Long distance meaning out to 100 meters for camera power, video, control, and IR if needed. And it's really a rock-solid platform. It's designed for the integrated environment.
Yeah, and the difference between the 3 and the 3X is analog versus digital, right? Or did I miss something else?
Well, the 2 is analog. The Remote Cam 2 is component video. The Remote Cam 3 is up to 30 meters for digital, and RC3X is out to 100 meters on digital.
So 2 was analog, 3 was digital, but now you're going up to 100 meters digital. You can check it all out at soundcontrol.net. Okay, that's right. I knew it was a little different.
Without tipping my hand, Infocom in Las Vegas might have a remote cam 4.
Okay, you heard it here first. Let me think about it. What would be remote cam 4? 4K? I don't know. Maybe I haven't seen any 4K video conferencing systems out here yet, but no, I have an idea what it might be. But congratulations, and you certainly should all check out soundcontrol.net online. Like I said, I love the new branding, and thanks for joining us today because I know you're really busy.
Excellent.
I appreciate it. Congratulations on your success and also the show. Keep watching because we got a lot more interviews to do.